This is the low car shifter for a 6R80. I'm going to be making it work with a 10R80. The box was kind of tore up when I got it from Summit, so I got to talk to them about getting some parts that are missing. But I should be able to get it all installed today. All right, so I cut out a metal plate. Since my car is white, I went in and just painted it white so it wouldn't rust. I got the holes marked for the low car shifter. There's a bracket that bolts to the back of the shifter right here that supports the cable. I'm going to figure out something about that, because if this is in here, that bracket's going to hit the console. Now, cutting this part of the console out probably wouldn't hurt anything, because I don't see it being structural really. It's just, it'll be covered also by the ashtray. All right, I went ahead and cut the center console, and you won't even be able to see that once everything's put back together. Line up my holes. All right, I got the holes lined up. I cut the center console. This piece here pokes up just a hair, so I'm gonna mark it with a Sharpie, and I'm gonna grind this piece down some. It's got enough material still to be sturdy. All right, I trimmed that bracket, now it fits. That's about all you gotta do right there. Just grind it down a little ways. It's not gonna hurt anything. All right, so here is the finished product. This is the low car bracket. If you look, let's see, use the second and third bolt to mount it up. It's a pain in the ass tightening this down. I cut a Allen wrench in half and then just used a wrench on this side. Everything's all adjusted, works as it should. There's no real mystery to it. Just make sure you tighten these down later. And if you have any questions, let me know.